Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video tutorial where I'm going to take you through a demonstration of exam revision and to show students how exam revision can help to boost your grades and increase your overall confidence with your junior and leaving certificate subjects. So I'm just going to log into my portal. Okay, so this is what the inside of exam revision looks like, and when you're in my portal, and these are all the subjects that are attached to me. So when you log in, you'll have to add your subjects, and then you'll just be able to view the ones that you're currently studying. So if I go into, say, Leaving Cert higher level maths, what we have in here is we've got the entire course completed for you. So if I went into, say, coordinate geometry, the circle, inside here, what we have is we've got the entire Leaving Cert maths higher level course broken down into bite-sized video tutorials, PowerPoint presentations, notes, quizzes, and exam papers and solutions. So the game changer for students here is the video tutorials. We've got the entire Leaving Cert Maths higher level course broken down into bite-sized video tutorials that are concise and tailored to the Leaving Cert higher level exam paper that you're going to be studying. Okay. So now students have the entire junior and leaving certificate course for all their subjects in their pocket. Okay, and students have the ability to go through every single aspect and topic for each of their subjects. So for example, we're in the coordinate geometry topic, the circle. So I can go equation of a circle 1. I can click on to the next video and go equation of a circle 2, and I can quickly go through this particular aspect of this topic. I've got touching circles then, so this video is 5 minutes long. Tangents 1, and I can make it bigger as well, so students can see what the course is like. And I'll actually just play about 30 seconds of the video so you can get a sense of what it's like.
The slope is going to be 3/4. So I flipped it upside down and I've changed the sign. Now I go and sub all that information into my formula. So it's going to be y minus 11 is equals to 3/4 x plus 8. The trick I like to do here is I take the bottom and I multiply it up here. So that's going to be 4 bracket y minus 11 equals 3 bracket x plus 8. So that's going to give me 4y minus 44 is equals to 3x plus 24.
Okay, so I'll just stop there because you get the idea with the video tutorials. So students have now got the ability to stop, pause, and rewind whatever part of the maths curriculum that they want to learn. You've got access to this 24/7. And students that maybe don't understand something in the class the first time they heard it, or maybe it's that they were away at a sporting event, or maybe you were absent from school, or maybe just you did this particular topic a year ago or 2 years ago and you want to revise it. You've got the opportunity now to be taught step by step, and depending on what type of learner you are, we cater for all the different learning styles. With our video tutorials, we've got the PowerPoint presentations. So the 6 PowerPoint presentations here for this particular part of the course, equation of a circle. So you can go through that step by step. You can change to the next PowerPoints. We have a wide range of resources with the H1 notes that students are able to download and print off. And we've got quizzes that students can do to check their progress and for quick little recall and to see how you're doing in the topic. And then you've got the exam paper questions. So you can build your exam if you wish, or you can click on show the answer and you get the marking scheme. Or maybe you might want to just have the question there and set a timer and do the question because you're looking at it on an iPad or a phone or on some sort of mobile device. And every single subject is the exact same. So if I went into, say, Leaving Cert Biology, again, I would have the entire course in my pocket for Leaving Cert Biology. I went into the cell 2.2 cell metabolism. I've got my 4 video tutorials in here for 2.2 cell metabolism. Got enzymes, photosynthesis, respiration, and diffusion. These videos are, again, bite-sized video tutorials. They're concise, they're tailored to the Leaving Cert Biology exam. You've got your PowerPoint presentations for the whole course. You've got the notes, because we know, again, that students are, like, every student is different, and every student will learn in a different way. So whether it's you're the type of student that you like having like clear, concise and visual notes, we have them created for you. If you're a student that likes going through the PowerPoints, we have that available for you. If you're a student that likes listening and seeing step by step, we've got the video tutorials that you can utilize. If you're a student that likes doing quizzes, again, we have this available for you. So I'll quickly go through the quiz to show you what it looks like. Okay, so I got 44% and I've got my breakdown down. So I can quickly identify the areas and the questions that I got wrong and then learn what the right answer might be. And I can take the test again, the quiz, or I can try another topic. And our platform, it has smart adaptive technology built in to guide as all students' progress is tracked. So our platform will know now that I've got 44% in this particular topic in this quiz, and it might then decide, okay, I need to watch a video on this particular topic. So if this topic was on enzymes, might say that I need to watch this video on enzymes, and it will guide and support me. So it's a fantastic resource for students. And then you've got the exam papers. If I was a junior cycle student, again, we have the same available for you guys. So if I was in junior cycle business, I've got the entire course here. I went into 1.6 insurance. Inside here, I've got my 6 videos in insurance. So the first one is the key terms. Then I can change the principles of insurance, calculating insurance. So this one is the key terms. I can quickly go through it. There's a great tool here where you can slow down the speed of the videos, or you can speed it up, okay, depending on what pace you want to go at. So you're in complete control of your learning, and you're able to learn from anywhere now and at any time. You've got your PowerPoints. I'll just show you the notes because they're a little bit different. For junior cycle, what we have is we've actually got them all linked with QR codes. So with the junior cycle notes, you can go into your topic, you can download this, and then you can just scan the QR code. And that QR code will direct you then to a video tutorial that'll explain that particular part of the exam. And then we have exam paper questions, and we've got tips on how you can develop your exam technique for answering the junior cycle exam questions. You're going to have the quizzes, and then you'll have the exam papers then as well that you can click on and get the answer, and so on. So every subject is the exact same, and all your progress for students is tracked. You've got access to all your subjects 24/7. I can really help to increase students' confidence and to help to boost your grades, because you are now have full control and autonomy of your own learning. So that's just a quick demo of ExamRevision. I hope you have a fantastic time and experience using ExamRevision, and I wish you every success in your exams. Thanks, guys.